Hey kids, welcome back to HackerKID's Let's Learn series. In the last video, we saw what blockchain actually is, and in this video, we are going to see how blockchain actually works. So let's get into the video. So imagine you and your friends are solving a case and everyone notes each step down, and once the steps are written, no one can erase or change it. That's how blockchain actually works. Sounds fun, right? So let's crack the case. Now think of each clue as a transaction. Something important that happens. Each of you has a copy of the notebook, and every time a new clue is found, all of you write it down in the same order. This way, no one can cheat. But how do we make sure these clues are 100% real and not fake? Well, that's where the blockchain magic happens. Each page is locked with a puzzle called hashing, a super secret code that connects it to the previous page. If anyone tries to change a clue, the lock won't fit anymore and everyone will know it's fake. To add a new page, there's a race. The first one to solve a tricky max puzzle gets to lock the page and share it with everyone. This is called mining. In the blockchain world, the winner gets a reward just like in a game. The best part? The same notebook copies exist with thousands of people worldwide. If someone tries to change something in one copy, it won't match the others and their trick will be caught. Blockchain makes sure everything is fair and safe. That is why a lot of people use it for online payments, keeping records, and even buying cool digital products. Mystery solved. Blockchain is like a detective's notebook that keeps everything fair, unchangeable, and safe. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe for more such informative content. See you in the next video.